Good morning, students. Today we shall start question number 5 of exercise 15.1. Statement is an organization selected 2400 families at random and surveyed them to determine a relationship between income level and the number of vehicles in a family. The information gathered is listed in the table. All the information like monthly income and vehicles per family is given in this table. In this table, if monthly income is less than 7,000, then there are 10 families which have no vehicle, and 160 families are there which have only one vehicle, and 25 families are there which have exactly two vehicles, and there is no any family which have above two vehicles. If monthly income is 7,000 to 10,000, then there is no any family which have no vehicle, and there are 305 families which have only one vehicle, and 27 families are there which have two vehicles, and there are two families which have above two vehicles. In this way, relationship between income level and number of vehicles in a family is given. Now in first part we have to find a probability of that family whose earning is rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and having exactly two vehicles. Now in this table, if earning is 10,000 to 13,000, how many families are there which have exactly two vehicles? 29 families are there. So number of favorable outcomes 29 and total number of families 2400. So answer of first part 29 by 2400. Second part is find the probability of that family whose earning is rupees 16,000 or more per month and having exactly one vehicle. Now in this table, if monthly income is 16,000 or more, then how many families are there which have exactly one vehicle? 579 families. So number of favorable outcomes 579 and total number of possible outcomes 2400. So answer of second part is 579 by 2400. Third part is if earning is less than rupees 7,000 per month and does not have any vehicle. If monthly income is less than 7,000, and how many families are there which have no vehicle? 10 families are there. So number of favorable outcomes 10 and total number of possible outcomes 2400. So answer is 10 by 2400. Now fourth part is if earning is rupees 13,000 to 16,000 per month and having more than two vehicles. So in this table, if earning is 13,000 to 16,000, 25 families are there which have more than two vehicles. So answer is 25 by 2400. So answer of fourth part 25 by 2400. Now fifth part is having not more than one vehicle. Not more than one vehicle means having only one vehicle and no vehicle. So find the number of families which have no vehicle. 10 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, it will be equal to 14. Then we will find the number of families which have only one vehicle. So we will add all these. Now add all these number 10 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. These are the families which have no vehicle. And now add all these families which have only one vehicle, 160 plus 305 plus 535 plus 469 plus 579. So now when we will add this, 14 plus 2048, so it is equal to 2062. So when we will find the probability, formula is number of favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes is 2062 and total number of families 2400.